Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home of the brave? Oh, Canada, our home and native land, true patriot love in all of us command. With glowing hearts we see thee rise, the true north, strong and free. From far and wide, oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. God keep our land glorious and free. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee.
We got a big one on the ice tonight, and along with Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski, ready to call all the action. Well, two teams that can certainly expose defenses here set to collide tonight, Ray.
Well, and the goaltending better be good at both ends of the ice. They'll be tested as both teams have the ability to open the game up and really create chances. I'm interested to see if one goalie can really take hold of this.
Two teams looking starved for a win, and we are set to go. The Avs take possession here on the opening draw, and we are underway. The Leafs have it now. Toronto's got it in their own zone. From his own end, he moves it up ahead. Sundin's got it in the offensive zone. From the slot, wrist shot, and he denied that opportunity. And he uses his reach to disrupt the play. Puck grabbed by Blake. Taken by Forsberg. Snaps it on net. And that shot gets caught in traffic. The Leafs will play it from the defensive zone. Nice pass. Trying to gain a step. All alone. What a stop on the breakaway. The Leafs have it now. Takes the pass. And surfs up a little knock on the play. The Avalanche have taken possession along the wall. And he gets pummeled.
He tried to protect himself by getting his stick up, but he didn't get it up far enough. It got rattled out of his hands. Now he's got to chase it down.
Dishes it to Horton. Sends it over to Avalanche. Pass back to the point. Denies him with the blocker. What a stop by Shakir.
Make the save, help yourself out at the same time. Good stop, but the better part is that he gets the puck away from the front of the net.
Colorado's on the attack. Broken up with the stick in the defensive end. Now he takes it over the line. Right to the middle. And that one's broken up. Enters the offensive zone from the left. Too much congestion in front. Across the line from center. Puts it on goal. And that one's turned away. Puck scooped up by Duff. Quick pass to Salming. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Solani's got it across the line. And that's stopped by Broda.
He drops that shoulder and drives the net with such great speed. It's tough for the defenseman to deny him, but the goalie makes the save.
Toronto's got it along the wall. Quick snap. Denies him in close. Krug's caught with the stick, and the officials are signaling for a hooking penalty. Trying to engage a little physicality here. Time for the officials to hand out the judgment. The Leafs have been called for hooking.
So quickly into position, now the defensive player's got to scramble. He takes the hooking penalty.
The Avs will have a chance to get on the power play for the first time this evening.
Pretty good chance here to break a scoreless game. The first power play of the game gets your best guys on the ice.
The Avs have the puck now. Toronto's got possession while undermanned. And they get the puck out of the danger zone. Colorado's got it from behind the net. Angles it over to Bork. Oh, had a chance to make a nice move, and the puck disagreed with him.
Forsberg's such a creative player. He's always looking at the next way through the traffic. Tries a tricky move there, but can't complete it.
The Avs take it along the wall. Toronto's got the puck along the boards.
Salming's time is almost done.
And that one's broken up. Still tied here as the power play fails to come up with a goal.
Oh, when the puck moves and the feet don't, this is what you get. You had lots of zone time, but no real dangerous chances on that power play.
From the blue line, they take control of it. Centering pass! Scores!
Now, the only way he's stopping this one is if it hits him. As soon as the shooter went to shoot it, the goaltender dropped into the butterfly. He's looking around that traffic, hoping he can find it.
With traffic in the zone, he knew he had to get that one on net. That's his seeing eye superstar ability, and the goalie never even picked it up.
Nice job tying up his opponent. Moves it quickly over to Tucker. Can't connect on the pass. manages to hang on. The Leafs move the puck in the defensive zone. Up along the wall on the right side and into the attacking area. Toronto's going to play the puck from behind the cage. Inside the final minute of the first here. And things starting to ramp up a little bit now on the ice with that play. The Leafs will play it in their own end. Toronto's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Moves it on over to Clark. Lets it go. And he hangs on just as time runs out. And the first period comes to an end. Colorado's off to a good start. They dictated the pace of play, and it's a good reason they lead 1-0. Both teams heading down the tunnels. We'll take a quick breath ourselves and be back for the second period. Well, the first 20 is in the books. Let's see what this second period offers. Here we go, middle frame now underway as the puck drops. Ray, what's your assessment of the game to this point?
The Leafs probably a little bit unlucky in that initial frame. They controlled most of the possession, but they trailed by a goal.
Takes it across the blue line. Tried to connect the pass, but it doesn't go. Picked up along the wall by Blake. And he regains control of the puck. Looks to make a play over to Forsberg. From the right side, they gain the zone. Good reach to the stick to knock the puck away. And it's kicked away. Here's a short pass to Sundin. A chance from the slot. And that's blocked. The Avs get a hold of the puck in their own end. Quick feed to Blake. Colorado's got it against the boards. And they won't connect on that one. And the puck's kicked free. Moves it over to Sundin. Nice zone entry from the right side. Oh, rocked along the boards.
I almost feel the boards rattle where I'm standing here, James. That's a solid hit.
Puck sent over to Avalanche. Pinned up along the boards. Taken along the wall by Murphy. Puck picked up by Sundin. Avalanche is carrying it ahead. Here's a chance. And makes the save. Moves it to Hannon. Moves the puck. Slides the pass over to Hannon. Comes up with the stop. Clark's taking it from his own end. Nice zone entry on the left side. Centering pass. And that's picked off. Quick feed to Tucker. Stays with it. And that caroms right off the mask.
Looked like he didn't pick this puck up very early, and he reacted late, but he gets it right off the top of the mask. That one's going to sting.
Easy peasy right there by Jaguar. And the goalie covers up for the whistle. James and Ray with you tonight. More than half the period has been played. Colorado's ahead 1-0. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. And that doesn't exactly go tape to tape. The Avs played along the boards. Quick pass to Tucker. Scores!
They score back-to-back goals. They stay aggressive after getting the first one. They tack another one on here. A quick flick of the wrist, and that snapshot beats the goaltender. He's in the low slot. He doesn't have much time to think about it.
The Avalanche have now taken a 2-goal lead here in the second. How did they get to this point, Ray?
I believe by not letting their foot off the gas. They had the 1-goal lead. You come out into of the second period. You cannot back off, and they've done a good job.
Colorado's got a hold of it along the wall. Puck dumped in. The Leafs take over on possession. Through the neutral zone now, picking up steam. Throws it in. Slides it diagonally to Kovacic. Here they come on the attack. Here's the pass. And that one's broken up. Great block there. Toronto's got a hold of the puck. Anderchuk's got it along the wing. Can't get it to go. The Avalanche have the puck in their own end. Colorado's got it in the offensive zone. Takes the feed. Stopped by the goaltender. Receives the pass. And he sacrifices his body to block the shot. Here's a chance. Oh, he gets a blocker on it. What a stop by Broda. Can't find his man. Puck battle along the boards. Moves it quickly over to Conacher. Toronto's got the puck along the wall. And now he tries to get it across to Andreychuk. Takes the feed. Oh, what a collision with that hit.
Known for this, he doesn't make any mistake. There's the opportunity to lay a body check out, and he's right on it.
Sends a pass over. And the lane's clogged up blocking that. And there's the wrap-up cue for period number 2. Colorado's going to take a 2-0 lead into that third period.
Team website for video highlights, player features, and merchandise from our online store.
Big third period still to come. We'll get ready for it. Hope you'll join us. Teams are lined up, and they are ready to get this third period underway. Colorado's won the draw in the neutral zone. Here's a short pass to Sakic. The Leafs will play the puck from behind the net. Quick feed to Conacher. Slides the puck to Sundin. And that's stopped by Giguère. Moves it to Conacher. Oh, wow! Stops him again!
Giguère's in great position here to make this stop. Nice work by the goaltender.
Lots of time left in this period. We've got a 2-0 game here tonight. Colorado's won the draw. Blake's lugging the puck. Streaking into the attacking zone from the right. And puts the body into it, a little bumper car hockey. Right up the gut into the attacking zone. Pad save. He's on it tonight. Grabbed along the boards by Sakic. Gaining momentum up along the side. Moves right to the middle. And they can't finish that one.
Oh, he's going to be kicking himself for that. The play was there. He just doesn't execute that last pass for the scoring opportunity.
Here comes the pushback.
Blake's ready to go. Apparently, the other guy doesn't want anything to do with him. Well, he's just slowly working his way to the bench, James, where the training staff's going to look at him. Had an awkward play earlier in the shift, and he doesn't look very good right now.
Denied by the goaltender. Sends the pass over. Oh, they do it again. Loose puck battle along the boards. Gets the full use of his stick on the poke check. Sent into the offensive zone. Colorado's got the puck in the defensive end. Couldn't find the intended target. The Avs take it across the blue line. Puts it on net. Denies him with the pad. Colorado's got the puck against the half wall. A chance in front. Oh, he got all of that. What a save by Broda.
Yeah, I hate it when I miss chances like this, James. You don't get many that are this quality. You want to put them away because you don't know when the next one's going to come. He took a pretty good jolt there, James, and I think we should take another look. He seems a little shaken up. Smith left the bench and aided by one of the training staff. He's gone down the tunnel towards the locker room. Looks like it's some kind of head injury.
We'll see if we can try to get an update as soon as possible here as this game goes on. And now it's grabbed by Salming. A spirited battle along the boards for the puck. Grabs the puck in the corner. Maintains possession. The Leafs get a hold of the puck along the boards.
It hasn't been boring. I mean, it's low scoring, but man, there's been a lot of chances at both ends of the ice. We've seen missed chances combined with great goaltending, and that gives you a low-scoring game.
And the puck leaves the zone going back to center ice. Taken by Krupp. The Avs take it along the wing. Oh, that hurt from here.
He didn't take anything out of that hit. He delivered it really as hard as he could.
Goodness. Along the boards, they battle for the puck. Great pressure with the stick. Hannon's got the puck in his own zone. Colorado's across the blue line. Toronto's got the puck. From the back of the cage with the puck. The Avalanche have taken to the offensive attack. Slides the puck over. Oh, he rocked him. Toronto's got the puck along the wall. Denies him.
Jaguars had a solid night here. His save percentage is really good while they've built a comfortable lead.
Colorado's looking to break out. Moving into the attacking zone. The Leafs gain possession along the wall. Looking for space inside the D zone. Working the puck deep inside their own end. Colorado's got a hold of it against the wall. The Avs played along the wing. Streaking through center, they go on the attack. The Avs scoop it up along the boards. Toronto's trailing, that's why they've got the extra attacker out on the ice and the goalie on the bench. And uses the length of his stick to knock that puck away. Kind of lost control for a second there, but regains possession. Scooped up along the wall by Sundin. And there's the save. Sakic's moving the puck through his own zone. Empty net goal, and everyone breathes a sigh of relief on one bench anyway.
Yeah, the one bench is pretty relieved right now. I mean, even their coaches looked at each other and just exhaled a little bit. That should be enough to wrap this thing up. The empty net goal should seal it. Toronto's going to have to finish up tonight's game one skater short. Their injured player will not return.
Thanks very much for the update, Ray. Well, that certainly changes things now.
Yes, it does.
And he'll take a moment to regroup back at center. Colorado's gained possession along the boards. The Avs carried along the wall. And that's deflected. From the left side, they gain the zone. Move to the middle. Oh, if there's going to be a regret in this one, that might be it.
Yeah, that play is right there to be had. They just missed the pass. The scoring chance goes away.
And that's broken up with a stick in front. The final horn sounds, and it's time to soak it all in. This has been one very impressive run here.
What I'm most impressed with, James, is how calmly he plays the position right now. It's like every shot that comes, he knows he's got the save answer for it. The streak continues.
And that's all she wrote on this one for Ray Ferraro. My name is James Cybulski. We'll see you next time here on EA Sports.